Chapter 4 Birds. Fill in the blanks with the help of the help list. 1. Eagle are the biggest of the hunting birds with wingspans up to 2.5 meter. 2. The falcon have been recorded diving at a speed of 320 km per hour. Number 3. The smallest parrot species are the pygmy parrots who average at about 8 cm in length. 4. Herons are large wading birds that hunt for the fish in shallow lakes and rivers. Number 5. White stork lives in Eurasia in summers and then migrates to Africa, India and China in the winters. 6. Cockatoos are parrots which are white with feathered crests on their heads. 7. Ostrich is the biggest living bird, towering up to 2.7 meter in height and weighing over 150 kg. Number 8. The emperor penguin is the biggest swimming bird, up to 1.2 meter tall and weighing over 40 kg. Info bits. Elephant bird of Madagascar was the biggest bird, growing up to 3 meter tall, now extinct. Teacher's note. Motivate students to learn amazing facts about various incredible birds using the exercise.